Food choices vary in our time with a large number of foods. However, there are many delicious foods, but they are not healthy. Which, although we know its harm, we cannot prevent ourselves from eating it. First, the biscuit. We always enjoy biscuit with tea. This habit is widespread in all countries. There is a drawback that we do not know about biscuits. Studies have proven that biscuit is one of the causes of health problems for people in India. The biscuit has the same side effect, cocaine and morphine, on the brain. It makes you get addicted. It also makes you eat more than your normal energy. Biscuits are also rich in sugars and carbohydrates. Any more heat speeds increase weight. Second, fruit juice. Fruit juice is one of the most dangerous liquids of all. This is not due to the preservatives in the ready-made juice, it is because of the fruits themselves. Recent studies have emphasized the need to stay away from fruit juice. Replace it with fruits, as many of the benefits that fruits are found from fiber and others. Once the fruit is squeezed, it is lost, plus artificial sugar is added to sweeten it, which causes many diseases, including the heart. So many schools and families forbade children from consuming fruit juice. As for doctors, they recommend drinking 1 cup on the 3rd day of sausage and sausage. It is considered one of the most dangerous foods in the world to human health. It is one of the most popular foods in the world and there is no restaurant or home without it. Scientists have conducted research in more than 10 countries on the meat used in this food. The results of this research were absolutely shocking. 1 serving contains 70 grams of red meat, and that piece contains 18 grams of fat. It is known that the foods are high in fat lead to health problems such as weight gain, increased cholesterol in the blood, and problems with the heart and blood vessels. Fourth, the haggis. In the beginning it was Scottish food, and this food was not delicious at all. It is a sausage stuffed with an animal's stomach, liver, or lungs. Fifthly, Doritos, which became one of the most famous fried chips. It contains a high percentage of fats and harmful preservatives. Do you notice that when you eat one piece you want more? This is because it contains substances that make you addictive. Sixth, ready-made noodles. It is not a good food as it appears, as it is completely harmful to health, as it is added to a lot of preservatives so that it does not rot. In addition to other materials such as sodium and colors industrial, and a lot of materials that improve the taste. 7. Breakfast chips. Studies have shown that it is mixed in a way that loses its benefits, and also because it contains more than one type of pill, which inflicts damage to the digestive system and heart disease. And also sugar is added to it, which causes obesity and diabetes. 8th, Coca-Cola, which contains sugar, which causes many diseases. It also contains caffeine, which is from it for the body and gives the body energy, but over time, it makes you feel tense, anxious and gain weight. 9th, Casmazo cheese. This cheese is intentionally spoiled and live larvae are placed inside it to contribute to its fermentation. The danger lies in keeping some of the larvae alive. The European Union has banned the end of eating this cheese due to its danger to health. Blowfish. No one can prepare this fish, only a professional cook. In general, the internal organs of this fish, such as the liver and intestines, contain a toxin. As a person can't eat a small amount of it, he becomes paralyzed. Please subscribe and like the video.